If you're thinking about using Katana Cloud Inventory for your business, here are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making the jump. Stick with me till the end, because we'll be diving into what makes Katana unique, and I'll also show you how it stacks up against some of the competition. First things first, Katana Cloud Inventory is built with small to medium-sized businesses in mind, offering an intuitive and easy-to-navigate system. Unlike the complexity and steep learning curves of other inventory management software like NetSuite or TradeGecko, Katana delivers a more streamlined user experience. It's focused on ease, so you can get started quickly even if you're not tech-savvy. And if you're interested in giving it a shot, you can try Katana for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Next thing to note, Katana is cloud-based, which means you can access it from anywhere. This gives it a major edge over older, more traditional desktop-based systems. Whether you're on the go or managing multiple locations, the cloud integration ensures real-time access to inventory data, so you always know exactly where your stock is and what needs to be restocked. Compare that to systems like QuickBooks or Zoho Inventory, which can sometimes lag behind in terms of real-time data syncing, especially when you're managing multiple warehouses or sales channels. The third thing you should know is that Katana is designed to be super customizable. The software allows you to tailor workflows and inventory tracking according to your specific needs. This is a huge selling point for manufacturers or anyone who needs a solution that adapts to their unique business processes. A lot of competitors like TradeGecko tend to offer more rigid systems that don't give you the same level of control. Katana's flexibility sets it apart, especially if you're scaling up or have niche inventory requirements. Now let's talk about integration. Katana Cloud Inventory seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, plus accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks Online. This is a game changer if you're running an online store, as it makes syncing your sales and inventory smooth and automated. Many other solutions can struggle with providing these seamless connections, causing double data entry or syncing issues, which is something you definitely want to avoid. The fifth thing you should keep in mind is Katana's order management capabilities. Unlike some systems that require manual updates or lack real-time visibility into production, Katana automatically adjusts your stock levels as orders come in. This ensures you're never out of stock or over-ordering. In comparison, software like Odoo can sometimes be too generic, requiring more manual input to keep everything flowing smoothly. The sixth point I'll mention is Katana's visual production scheduling tool, which is one of its standout features. If you're a manufacturer, you'll love the way Katana helps you plan production timelines and manage your shop floor. The visual dashboard helps you see everything at a glance, and you can prioritize orders, making sure production runs as efficiently as possible. This is a feature that sets Katana apart from simpler inventory solutions like Square for Retail, which may not offer the same level of manufacturing-specific tools. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. Katana offers clear, transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Their plans are designed to scale with your business, so you're not locked into an expensive contract if you're just starting out. Unlike more expensive enterprise-focused platforms like NetSuite or SAP, which can be prohibitively priced for smaller businesses, Katana's pricing is much more accessible and offers good value for what you're getting in terms of features and ease of use. To wrap things up, if you're looking for an easy-to-use, flexible inventory solution that scales with your business and integrates seamlessly with your existing tools, Katana Cloud Inventory could be the right choice. And remember, if you want to try out Katana for free and get access to exclusive benefits, click the first link in the description below.